Alright, YouTube, here's the puppies from Loki and Speckles. A couple of them are already spoken for, so I'm not going to have them in the video, but there's 10 babies here still left, available as of right now. I mean, you can see how these puppies are. They're little beefcakes. And they're absolutely adorable. Every one of them. I mean, big, thick heads. Here, you want to show them? Little cry baby here. Little cry baby. I think they're about a week old now at this point. Alright, get another one, show them. Real healthy little chunky pups. You can't really tell in the video how big they are. They look extra small, kind of, but they really are actually really fat puppies for a week old. There's a little fat male. Very pretty. And this little fatty. Another little fat male. Little short muzzles. I mean, they're blocky little thick puppies. I mean, for a week old. They're big. Leave in the comments if anybody's interested in picking one up. We'll discuss pricing and stuff. If you get a hold of me and you're interested. But there they are. Quick update on them. I'll give you guys another update in probably a week or so, and they're a little bit bigger. Peace out, YouTube.